You know? Alright, hello. Are we good? Can you guys hear me? Oh, and by the way, if you are one of the lucky few na, na makakapanood ng Arcane Season 1, ay Season 2, bukas.
Joke lang. Sige, may Hexflash pa ako eh.
Okay, going top. Mabawasagan na tayo ng Torre.
Boss Trev, pasabi kung saan Torre tayo.
December 12 pa yung release nito ni Victor sa global servers. Bukod kay Victor, sino pa champions? Ah, patayan oh. Isa burning. Hello? Help me. Ah, asan yung iba? Ang layo naman nila. Ang layo. Oh my god, sayang. Ang bagal nila magano. We're good. Op. Op, may lalapit. Op. Pang. Nice. We're good.
Magkakasaw spell, tapos sasakay ulit ako sa'yo. Pwede ba yun? Pwede kaya yun?
Hindi na makakagalaw yun, guys.
Basta ako, bawal lang magpakita.
Oo nga.
Winning games is a good support, a good mid laner. And sometimes a good jungler. Op, mukhang susubok siya dito. Ayun siya oh. Hello. Now that you mentioned it, yes, I want to stream Marvel Rivals. But unfortunately, I don't think, kasi naka-preload na siya sa akin, actually. Naka-preload na siya sa akin. Tapos parang yun yung magiging elements natin for fire, earth, fire, rock, lightning, water, parang ganun. Yeah, I had to pick Mord. Para ma-isolate ko lang yung Darius. Wow, what game is this? I like this type of game, please. Yay, hello, Yosuke. Ayan, so this is Convergence, a League of Legends story. This is Echo's story game. And this is a canon. Yeah, MVP. I have protection. It's fine. Ay, wala. Nunuhat ko. Hindi na ako pwede sumigaw eh, gabi na, pero we rollin again. We taken.
Well, I'll catch you later, Ellie.
There we go.
We're a resilient bunch down here, that's for sure. Spire collapse or not, the day must go on.
There we go. And she has a magic black... What? Where did that come from? Free ba yan? Hindi. Pwede ba sa mobile? Hindi. Mali. Natamaan ako ng bear. Hayop yan. Talong ka pa. Sige. Ano pala sa gitna ako si Ari. So may damage. May damage din pala. Let's go. We have one caster minion. Right now. Ayan, boys. It's time. Let's watch Arcane Season 2, Episodes 7, 8, and 9. Right now. Desktop audio will be off. Pag magre-react. Oh, mahuli ako ng Leona. Wait lang. Amin yan. Ah, patay sana siya. Asan yung iba? Back up, please. Oh my god. Ultimate. Sa Pasig lang. Akala ko alam mo. Kasi sumali ka dun sa ticket giveaway. Pero yun. PR break daw. Okay, sige, sige. Mainit na. You guys have no idea how thick that hat is. That hat. I think we can take a look at this one. Kasi may bago na namang skin si Jace. Ayan, which is the we all expected the Arcane Jace skin sa League PC. Pero no. Sayang sa pucha nakapag-ulti. Nakapag-ulti siya. Good on good on Soraka here ha. Ayan, Soraka yan.
Loose. Gawin ko AP to.
Pwede yan.
Oo. Okay.
Ano ba? U o O?
You.
Ano bang
U.
hayop?
Or
Hayop o hayop?
Tok ako dito. Bahala kayo sa mga buhay-buhay nyo. Please, fast clear. Habang wala pa yung fizz. Ay, hindi, sige. Mabubuo na rin kasi. Para may ano tayo. We test another champion, and this time we're gonna test the newest champion. Be added to Wild Rift. Dat nag-ulti ako. Hindi ko napansin yung buhay. Sorry. Gupitin mo. Isa pa. Dash. Hello? Dash. Ban. Hindi ka Cuban ah. Hindi ka Pryo Cuban. Pero ban as in ban talaga from the game. Ayun, may black shield siya. Daya. Hi. Have a wonderful time. It's me. Same OG. But I've been low-key. Hindi lang siya komportable sa kamay ko. I don't know. Paano yung laser niya? Yan, I'll show you guys again after this match. Pero basically, yung laser niya may Blair? Is that you? Oh, eto na tayo. Here we go. Yan.
Teach
I'm
me.
English 100 eh.
English 100.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh no, Force Blood already.
Respect Diabolo. He's very good
Yeah.
at making Diabolo.
Easy ah, di ako makadive.
Sakit ng severe ba?
Out na ako ah, nag-DR na lang ako.
Hindi ko pa na-ignite.
Pala akong ulti. Nagdadive ako.
Tara. Burst natin.
Out.
Para sa Demacia. Pero that's gonna be a whole other storyline. Boss na ayos ba yung ping issue sa Global Wild Rift? Ayos naman na ata. A part of Demacia would play a part in the next series.
Baron lane, jungle, mid, ADC, support. Oh. Ay nako. Oo, parang nag-RG lang ito ako. Kakainin lang natin. Mabilis na 2-0 to yata eh.
Ang ganda ng synergy.
Ayusin yan.
In another point. Pero again, nung nakita natin na nung pumasok si Heimerdinger and si Echo dun sa Hex Core dun sa Piltover, it was cold. Right? They were breathing and pwede pa nating ilaban to. I just need to get my buff. Ayun, may red buff na rin pala ako. Okay, we're good. Eto.
Ba't ganun?
Okay lang yun.
Yeah, kaya pa to.
Alam nga.
Nararamdaman ko para may
tank player, diba? Always stay in the front line, but be careful enough to actually keep your health up para oras hayop yun. Ayoko pa naman yan. Pero okay, let's see. Sige, okay lang yan. Let's just copy the top rank. Ito na ako. Joke lang, wala. What the fuck? Ang sakit ng Veigar. Ano yun? Ako pala yung nahawakan niya.
Kabilang team, sino ba nandun? Naku po. Huwag na lang nila galingan. Huwag nyo lang pahirapan para
Tama.
masaya ang laro.
And okay, so congratulations, Brandon Christensen. There we go. So Syntixi.
It's been empty for a year, and now there's something the Poindexters want inside.
Man.
Possibly future Echo.
Yun eh. So, di na kita tinulungan. Sayang. Double kill tuloy yung ano. Pak! Patay na yung Garen. Ping! Sabi ni. Or Jericho in that specific timeline tricks Raum into into basta patayan. Nice. Kaya naman pala. Ano na yung Tryndamere, oh. Nice, good job, double kill. Patay si Ashe. Nasus. Expired. 60 minutes ba naman yung final 60 minutes ba naman yung ano kinat sa final episode? 60 minutes. So it should have been 2 hours. Ayan. So we are at the third evolution na. Okay na tayo. So let's try killing Jace na. All right. And I think we are good to go.
Di ba napag-usapan na natin to, sisindikatuhin natin dapat?
Ano?
Puro challenger yung mga pinanalo nyo.
Yun yung nakuha ng roleta. Lee Sin knows what he's doing, bro. Lee Sin knows what he's doing. He's gonna be here any moment now. Yep. Fine. Okay, mga chrome. Ang layo ko na. Wala po. Ayan. Immune to death for 3 seconds. Dito ata si Karma sa ano natin jungle natin top side.
Nandiyan na siya, andyan siya sa pinto.
Wala. Parted lang dito.
Ay,
Kaya mo
bakit itong gagawa ko?
Maybe in the near future we get a future Echo storyline. Diba? Not just young Echo. Oh shit. Rerolling again. Rerolling drift. Oh, mali. Pero oh. Yeah, let's go Shen tas full jungle. Hindi, tank. Ayan, ito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sinusumpong ng ganito to. Mas. Leo. Ito. Uli ka na. There we go. First.
Ano? Sige lang, ganun talaga ang buhay. Parang life.
Isang turn na lang sa atin yun. Tapos na kasi may baron tayo.
Oo nga eh.
Tinod ko na babak pala ako. Kasi nakita ko nag-back na si Giyang.
Ang rank may banning, platinum. Yeah, platinum na. Ice cream, hello pala. Nightshade, toing, chinita. Ano, kunin nyo lang yung link. Yeah, just kunin nyo lang yung link. You just need to use the link. Hello pala. K, hello K. You just need to use the link. Tapos doon kayo mag-top up. Doon kayo mag-login. Diba? Oh, shit. Yeah, we have parry, boy. Putik, tamaan pa ako.
Sorry na lang tayo.
Sige. Tore lang tayo, Tore.
Hindi
Topside
naman
tayo,
makakasali.
angat tayo, topside.
Push na natin to.
Walang ako item.
Uy, wala, binigay nila.
Iyan mo sila. Push mo lang to.
See. And I think I can show you guys what Syntixi is. Codex. MSI will have a slot for the splits, diba? So yeah, the server merger is a really good queue up na tayo. Wala pa namang gusto sumali. Yeah, queue up naman na tayo. Queue up na muna. Hello. Ayan, i-announce ko na lang mamaya yan sa page. And I'll PM you. Ayan, pero yun, I am back. Dito. Abuli mo yan, abuli mo. Sayang. Tatlo sila. Graves is nowhere to be found. Wait lang, naaabuso ba sila dun sa sa bot lane? Ay hindi, kasi nakakapag Oh, you traitor. I knew I wouldn't like you. Oh my god. Naku. Ooh, Mel going for the Black Horse attack. Oh, here we go. Riot did. Welcome back to the Thunderdome C server. Iwasan nyo na lang mag-trash to kasi mas maraming mababan. Prayo muna. Then we go beat them up. One by one. Umarangkada. Bad trip siya. Binan kasi yung team ko eh. Kung may team mo tayo eh. Huwag nyo nang ibaban yung team mo ah. Na-add na kita, Bagani. Another one. Another Syntixi.
Let's hope I'm getting more of these than those hired grabbers.
Na-amaze din siya oh. Na-amaze din siya eh. That lifesteal. Oh, we're still using Warwick, by the way. I'm not gonna change champions, not until I lose. Ayan, ban. Sino pwede nating i-ban? Flash out na siya. Oh. You know, embrace their followers, embrace the community that they're part of. Diba? Kasi I think it's good. It's good. It has good design, pero there are a lot more skins na you ain't breathing anymore, bro. Example, level 12 or level 10 base ult. Umiikot lang siya. You can still drag it to the direction that you wanted it to go. There we go. We are immune to we are immune to Bandmaster Yi. Kasi ibaba naman wala naman.
Pwede to. Ilang item ba na degrees? Winnable to. Pag 3 item ni degrees, punit lahat yan. Wala papahok. Okay, depende.
Na yung pinakamalaking size ng ultimate niya. Good for a whole team. So hindi na siya lalaki after that. So as you may have noticed. Okay, we're good. Kailangan kitang iwan. Putang yan. Ano lang tawag dito? Specific for Chinese players only. Okay? It's not better because the only thing that's actually right hand. Teka lang. Okay, here we go. Back to mid lane we go. Let's help Lilia. Si Lilia kung tapa yan dito. Teka lang. Oop, Jinx.
Heart, grabe. Kamusta naman yung feeling na magkaroon ulit makalaro ulit dito sa content creator clash na 5v5? Kasi, di ba, naglaro ka dun sa Wild Rounds?
Wait lang, do we have the dragon? Sa kanila yung dragon. Okay, sige. I'll just push top lane tapos tutulong na ako sa mid. JR Reyes, hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's not afternoon anymore, my brother. Going to see more of what happened to Jace and what happens to Vi and Jinx and Warwick and Singe. Oh, ito pa pala isa. If you guys hi baby boy, Diyos ko. Ay, nako. Ay, JB. Nagawa mo. Pero hopefully they release that cut kasi sobrang ano yun, popular request yun. They release that cut. They should release that cut. Don't release para matapos na ang paghihirap. Sige, 1-on-1 tayo dito. Aray ko, ang sakit ah. Oh shit, it's gonna be a Pyke mid lane. Oh no. It's gonna be a Malphite mid lane. Pyke support. Okay. Echo bro, the MVP bro. It looks like he's Spray painted, and the texture is nice, bro. It's soft. Ay, mali, buddy. Up. Wait lang, nakita ko yung portrait niya eh. Sayang. Okay, nag-burn naman siya. It's fine. Wala nang flash? No flash na? No flash? Okay, we're good. We're good.
Ally slain.
Ako, ikaw naman ang dadangkan ko. Naka-undying yan si Tryndamere. Pasensya ka. Nice, oh. Wala kasi yung Varus namin. Ano pala siya? Parang on hit. Hello. Ba't nag-ulti? Master tier games, bruiser jungler, tank top, o kaya tank support. Pero mas madalas din. I'm dead. It's fine. We switch. We switch controls. God damn it.
Yan ang mapapakita ko sila na ari. Mag-aari na ako dito.
Chubby ba yan, chubby? Baka chubby yan, ha?
Silas
Chubby.
na no? Kung may Silas.
Uy, gago!
Ayun na nga, yung dalawang pusa.
Sorry!
Ang hold up na.
Nangahunt na yan.
Ayan na nga.
Gawa
Ayan na nga.
target
May dalawang
lagi.
pusa dyan kasi.
Sige, push mo.
Again, purple chaos, so I think this is gonna be Tempo or Fury. Warded ba dito?
Ally slain.
Nako. Wala pang gates. Hindi ako maka... Oh my god, I couldn't read. Pero yun, that's gonna be like their spell card shit. Waiting for your PC. Yeah, hopefully my PC comes, bro. Because I wanna play... We can. Let's go. Wala pala akong demolish dito. Okay, bounty. Oh my god, please. And it's just a small size. It just has its small area of effect. But if it's empowered, confirmed for Wild Rift patch 6.0 will be Poppy, Rumble, and Gnar. Okay? Dito tayo sa gitna.
Double kill.
Huli ko ngayon. Op. Dito tayo sa gitna. Nating hayaang maka ano dito, oh. Ayun, may bola pa pala siya eh. Op. So I can just see. Can someone chat, please? Can someone chat so I can see? Just chat. Hello, Axel. Yan, hello, Kian, hello. Welcome to the show. It's fine kasi sinunod talaga nila yung thematic nung splash art ni Victor dun sa Arcane. 'Di ba? And ganda nun. Sayang. Andun pala yung ang Beza umepal. Ayang. I'll just need Rylai. Ay, hindi. Ayoko mag-Rylai. Ito na. Ayan. Kailan po out ni Victor sa CN server? December 12 din. Yes, December 12 din. So, kapag out na si Victor sa